From selecting to releasing EFT payments, this tutorial will help you to master these processes in SYSPRO.
This tutorial will include the following: adding a Cashbook release selection, removing a transaction from the Cashbook release selection, and lastly, releasing Cashbook payments.
Welcome to today's tutorial. This is the fifth and last part of the Cashbook transaction processing in SYSPRO. Let's get started. We're going to start by going to electronic fund transfer. Then we're going to go to transaction processing and we're going to look for EFT Cashbook release selections. We're going to click there. Okay, I'm just going to maximize my screen. As you can see, the status for these transactions are not released, as you can see there. So what we're going to do now is we're going to click on select all, and now the status has changed to release. Then we're going to click on save. Then we're going to close this program, and that is how you add a Cashbook release selection. We're going to start by going to electronic fund transfer. Then we're going to go to transaction processing and we're going to select EFT Cashbook release selections. Okay, I'm just going to maximize my screen. As you can see, the status for these transactions is release. So what we want to do is deselect one of these transactions, for example, the second one. As you can see, the status now changes to not released, and we're going to click on the save icon. We're going to close this program, and that is how you remove a transaction from the Cashbook release selection. We have realized that half of our viewers are not yet subscribed, so we are going to give you a chance to subscribe. Thank you for subscribing. Now let's continue with the tutorial. We're going to start by going to electronic fund transfer. Then we're going to go to transaction processing. And we're going to then click on EFT Cashbook payment release. Okay, I'm just going to maximize the screen. And now I'm going to click on start processing and I'm going to click OK. Okay, perfect. So as you can see, it's telling us that the process is complete. So that means the transactions were released for payments. And here you can then save the document. Let's see, EFT. Click save. Okay, perfect. And that is how you release Cashbook payments. We have reached the end of today's tutorial. Please be sure to subscribe, like, and comment which tutorials you'd like to see next. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. Do connect with us on LinkedIn. The link is in the description below. Thank you for watching this tutorial.